We'll guide you through how to fix message sound notification not working on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone, and so you're finding that when you go out and receive a message, you don't go and hear the notification sound. This problem can go and be annoying because you can go and end up missing important messages. As you can see here, I just went and received a message and I didn't go and hear it. So we're going to guide you through how you can go about fixing this. Make sure it's his full guide so you don't go and miss anything, as otherwise you can go and miss the method that may go and be the solution to the problem. So without any other further ado, let's go and get started. So first of all, what you want to do is just go and drag down in the top right on the battery to open the control center. First of all, if you've got some type of focus mode like do not disturb on, this can go and completely go and silence it and you may not even see it coming through. So for example, if it goes and says a mode there, you can go and tap on it to go and turn it off like so. Now, hopefully you'll go and get a sound. If you still don't, it may be because you have silent mode turned on. So what you can do is come just above the volume rockers here, and on older iPhones it's a switch, on new ones it's a button, and you can try switching it the other way or pushing on it in my case. And I've now put it into silent, but you want to go and do it so it goes and says ring. And this means now the ringer is on, so it's going to go and make a sound hopefully when you go and get the message come through. See if it solves it. Alternatively, in the control center, if silent mode is turned on, this bell icon will be highlighted and it will go and say silent mode on. So tap on it to go and turn it off, and now go and see when you go and get a notification if it goes and makes the sound. Hopefully it does. The next thing you can try doing is opening up your settings. In here, you want to go and scroll down. You want to find the option for sounds and haptics. Now, what may be the case is this turned all the way down. And so therefore you aren't going to go and hear it, making you think that it's not working. So what you want to do is go and turn this up. And hopefully now that will go and make a sound when you go and receive a message. Once again, you can go and test it. What I like to do here as well is go and turn off change with buttons, just so we don't go and easily change it. And it's just set with this here. Of course, make it louder if you want to as well. And just confirm that silent mode is definitely turned off at the top here. If you still find that it isn't working, then what you want to do is go and scroll down to apps at the bottom. You can search apps at the bottom for messages, or you can go and scroll down and you can go and find the option for messages. As you can see here it is, and go and tap there. And what you can then do is come into notifications. Now, what you want to do is come into sounds. You need to make sure a sound has been selected for messages, otherwise one won't be played when you go and receive it. So in this case, I like the default note. Now what we can do is go and test it. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to make sure that everything is ready. I'm going to go and get a message sent. And now hopefully when it comes through, it makes a sound. As you heard there, it did. That's it. Hope to help this video, you managed to go and solve the problem of the message notification sounds. If you found this useful and you want to see more like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.